You're good.
It's recording?
Yeah, you had it on photo.
Oh, okay. Okay, now it's finally, it's
I don't care if it's glasses.
blinking?
Yes.
Yeah, no, it's blinking.
You're good.
Yeah.
Hey camera, I'm Josh Cobb, the best person on this drum line.
I'm Josh Clements.
And personality-wise.
I'm Josh Clements, the worst person personality-wise. Placing with Brandon Olander or something.
Well, I was having my friends.
As you think about college, you'll consider coming to Troy University, because if you do, we have a place for you in the sound of the South. So sit back and relax. Here's the sound of the South.
Let's do it, baby.
We open our show tonight
Relax.
with Earth, Wind, and Fire Funk from 1977. Jupiter. Next, we reach back to the early 1980s for some funk by Kool and the Gang and Michael Jackson. To close our show tonight, we bring the groove of Silk Sonic's Skate and the funk of Earth, Wind and Fire's Get Away. There they are, ladies and gentlemen, the sound of the South.